Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for the perfect accent for your bathroom, you've got to get these set of glass soap dispensers from Cendray. I got the pair in clear glass. One has more of a diamond shape to it and the other has more of a square, but the way that they're cut really catches the light nicely. These are foaming soap dispensers. I love that because I make my own soap with Castile soap, water, and essential oils, and this foams it perfectly. Now, I actually got my water to turn blue by brewing some butterfly pea tea and adding that into my soap mixture, and I just love the way the colored water looks in these glasses. These are really well built and the glass is very strong. I love the amount of soap that it dispenses. It's not too much, not too little, just the right amount and just the right amount of foam as well. These are so classy and beautiful. I'm keeping one in my kitchen, one in my bathroom. I just love them, and that's my point of view.